This is تمرين 6 of الدرس السادس, drill 6 of lesson 6 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, the connectors. In this drill, you're going to translate English sentences into Arabic. And so I will help you with some of the translation so that you can better implement the connectors and put the connectors in place more easily. Again, the focus is on the connectors here and not necessarily translation. So in number 1, we have Cairo was established, okay, أنشئت القاهرة, and then we have after ظهور الفاطميين في مصر. So you're going to say after, okay. Now, again, if you use ظهور, okay, then that's obviously going to be a mastar. So that's going to affect whether you use ba'ad or ba'd-an, right? Number 2, Cairo was established, أنشئت القاهرة, a few years after the rise of the Fatimids in Egypt. So it's the same sentence. However, here we have a period of time. And remember that when we have a period of time, we put that at the end of the sentence after the preposition be. ثلاثة, we have he returned from England, رجع من إنجلترا, after obtaining, okay, obtaining a doctoral degree in English literature. So obtain is حصل يحصل الحصول, and then a doctoral degree, شهادة الدكتوراه في الأدب الإنجليزي. In number 4, the president met the men of the press a short while before the cabinet meeting. قابل الرئيس رجال الصحافة أو الصحفيين. Now, a short while. This is a period of time. And we have before. Okay, so the period of time is going to go at the end after be. And then we have the cabinet meeting, which is اجتماع حكومته. 5, he always prays to God before beginning to work. Now, here, pray, in Arabic, we have 2 words that are similar to the word pray. In English, we have صلى, which is more formal in Arabic, and we have دعا يدعو, to call upon, and here that's more appropriate. So we'd say دائما يدعو إلى الله, before, okay, before, okay, we can say بداية العمل, right? Okay. 6, she graduated from the university 2 years before she got married. تخرجت من الجامعة, 2 years before, and again, that's the period of time. تزوجت, she got married. Number 7, they postponed the meeting, أجلوا الاجتماع, and will set another date. وسيحددون موعدا آخر, okay, for it in 3 weeks. Now, in 3 weeks, again, means like after 3 weeks, right? In Arabic. So that's how we would say. In English, we would say in 3 weeks, but in Arabic, we would say after 3 weeks. 8, he wrote his second book 10 years after his first one. كتب كتابه الثاني. And then we have a period of time, and then we have after, and then كتابه الأول. She applied for a job after her graduation. سلمت طلبا لوظيفة. Then we have after in her graduation تخرجها. 10, she always reads before she sleeps. دائما تقرأ, before, okay, and then you can say a mastar, right? نام ينام, النوم is to sleep in Arabic. 11, 11, the famous singer, المغني المشهور, sang, غنى, okay, so غنى المغني المشهور, some beautiful songs before the celebration began, okay, الحفلة, بداية الحفلة, okay, so songs are أغاني, so بعض الأغاني الجميلة أو الممتازة And then إثنا عشر, we have they will meet at the club. سيجتمعون في النادي in the afternoon بعد الظهر. And after that, okay, and so you have after that, they will go to the movies. سيذهبون إلى السينما. Hopefully that helps. مع السلامة.